Today, we are diving into the delightful world of Duncan Hines lemon cake mix. This cake mix is perfect for anyone looking to add a burst of citrus flavor to their baking. Lemon has a unique taste that can brighten up any dessert. Duncan Hines has expertly crafted this mix to deliver a refreshing lemon flavor that is both sweet and tangy. It is ideal for celebrations, gatherings, or just a cozy night at home. When you think of cake, often the first thought is about the taste, but there is more to it than just flavor. One of the standout features of Duncan Hines lemon cake mix is its inclusion of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that our bodies need. It plays a crucial role in supporting our immune system. This vitamin helps to protect our cells from damage. It also aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Consuming vitamin C can improve your overall health and well-being. In addition to its health benefits, vitamin C also contributes to beautiful skin. It is known for its ability to boost collagen production. This can help keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. So, when you indulge in a slice of lemon cake made from this delightful mix, you are not just treating yourself to something tasty, you are also getting a bit of a health boost from the vitamin C. Imagine the aroma of a freshly baked lemon cake filling your kitchen. The bright yellow color and the light fluffy texture make it a feast for the senses. Whether you are celebrating a birthday or just enjoying a weekend treat, this cake is sure to impress. Duncan Hines lemon cake mix is versatile too. You can enjoy it as is or get creative. Consider adding a glaze or frosting made with lemon juice. You could even mix in some fresh berries for an extra layer of flavor. This cake mix is easy to use. Simply follow the instructions on the package and you will have a delicious cake in no time. It is perfect for both novice bakers and experienced chefs. Using a cake mix can save you time in the kitchen. It allows you to spend more time enjoying the moments that matter. Baking with family and friends can create lasting memories. Next time you are looking to bake something special, consider Duncan Hines lemon cake mix. Its citrus flavor and vitamin C benefits make it a wonderful choice for any occasion. Incorporating this cake into your celebrations can add a spark of joy. It is a simple yet effective way to bring smiles to the faces of those you love. So, gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and get ready for a baking adventure. You will be amazed at how easy it is to create a delightful dessert with this mix. Remember, baking should be fun. Enjoy the process and get creative with your decorations. Let your imagination run wild. You can top your cake with fresh fruit, whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. The possibilities are endless when it comes to decorating your lemon cake. In the end, what matters most is sharing this delicious treat with others. Baking is a wonderful way to show love and care. So, whether you are making this cake for a special occasion or just because, know that you are creating something that can bring happiness to those around you. Duncan Hines lemon cake mix is more than just a dessert. It is an experience that can brighten your day and nourish your body. So, the next time you're in the baking aisle, think about picking up a box of this delightful cake mix. You will not be disappointed. Happy baking and enjoy every bite of your lemon cake. Appreciate your viewership. Like and subscribe for upcoming videos.